Hey, good day everyone. Check out this gazebo I have here. I've actually put some lights around it too to lighten it up. But really happy with this thing. As far as the assembly goes, it was really easy to put together. Has some nice features that are really appealing too, and it's got the bug net and the curtains that go outside of it too. But one of the nice things under here, if you come up underneath, you can hang stuff from there, some lights, speakers. I've hung some Bluetooth speakers underneath there, some festive speakers that light up too. Here's a look at the underside of it. I just put this thing together not too long ago. And one of the features that are unique to this gazebo too is it's got a dual rail system here, so you can see that the actual net goes here and the curtains go on the outside. So you can operate each independently. And the hooks are super easy to install. These rings here, there's not a bunch of hard snapping. It's nice. You can have the bug screen, just the bug screen, or you can have the bug screen and the tent and the curtains as well. And for installation and removal, so easily removed and easily installed as well. We've got a nice customer service warranty too. Actually, I had one that was damaged and was able to return it, and they sent me one that wasn't damaged with no issues at all. So it was really great. So they got a good customer service program and warranty program too. It's already rained a couple times and it stays completely dry underneath there. And what I plan on doing is putting a patio underneath here. It needs to be completely leveled out, and then putting a rock patio underneath this for an outdoor area. Put a few different gazebos together over the years, and this one was by far the easiest. You can do it with minimal people. I think there was only one step. Yeah, there was only one step where it took two people. Could have done it with one, but made it easier with two. But the other gazebos I put together took like 2 or 3 people at a minimum. So this is really nice. It's all metal, so it's gonna hold up for quite a few years. Great addition to the yard here. If you're looking for one of these, you won't be disappointed.